Hello children. Children, in the previous video, we have finished with the book exercises of lesson number 2, kinds of sentences of English 1. Now we are going to do the question answers of this lesson. So take out your English 1 copies, take out a new page, write the date on the left side of the margin, then write lesson 2 on the first line, write kinds of sentences, that is the name of the lesson, on the second line. Now on the third line, start writing the question answers. Question number 1 is, name the different kinds of sentences. Full stop. Name the different kinds of sentences. Full stop. The answer is, the different kinds of sentences are: number 1, assertive sentences, ASSERTIVE, assertive sentences. Second is interrogative sentences, INTERROGATIVE, interrogative sentences. Number 3 is imperative sentences, IMPERATIVE, imperative sentences. Number 4 is exclamatory sentences, EXCLAMATORY, exclamatory sentences. Now let's move on to question number 2. Define the different kinds of sentences along with examples. Full stop. The answer is number 1, assertive sentence. It expresses a statement to tell a fact. It expresses a statement to tell a fact. Full stop. Example, A part, the sun rises in the east. Full stop. B part, he is a good player. Full stop. Now the second kind of sentence is interrogative sentence. It asks about something or someone. It asks about something or someone. Full stop. Example is, A part, what are you doing? Question mark. What are you doing? Question mark. The B part is, what is your name? Question mark. Now the third kind of sentence is imperative sentence, IMPERATIVE, imperative sentence. It expresses an order or a request. It expresses, EXPRESSES, expresses. It expresses an order or a request. Full stop. Example is, A part, please sit down. Full stop. B part is, shut the window. Full stop. Now next is number 4, exclamatory sentence, EXCLAMATORY, exclamatory sentence. It expresses a strong feeling. It expresses a strong feeling. Full stop. Example is, A part, what a pity. Then after that you have to put an exclamation mark, draw a line and then put a dot here. What a pity. B part is, what a beautiful sight it is. What a beautiful sight it is. Then exclamation mark. So children, this was all there regarding this lesson. I will show you the question answers once again. Go through the question answers once again and write them properly in very neat handwriting in your copies. Touch the lines and then write. Once again I am telling you children, Write it in very neat handwriting. So, here we finish with this lesson today. Thank you.